name is Vince, Scavona Farms. We're in Geneva, Ohio. We farm 1,000 acres, and 200 is on the main farm. We rent the rest. We do corn, hay, and beans. I got 4 520 42s in the rear and 2 420s in the front. They work really good in the mud, and they got a lot. They take a lot of wear, because we've had these now to get the year. We've had them out going the second season now, and they don't show no wear at all. We've done maybe about 4,000 acres with them right now, and they even take against stone cuts or something like that. They're a good tire. It's got best treading. We've had no problem getting through the fields. Cut our fuel costs down about a third. We don't get stuck much, and we get through the fields a lot easier, especially in harvest time. My brother, before we put them on, he was having a hard time getting to the edge of the field with it being muddy. Now last year was a piece of cake. You'd run right out, not tracking at all, and these clean out really good in the mud. That's what I like really about them. So then they don't show no road wear. So so we're good there. And like I said, the cleat and the traction bar itself doesn't have any wear, and for being on the road, a lot of times it has a soft compound, and they'll start showing a little bit of road wear. Because we're pulling this one here, we pull a lot of heavy equipment on the road, and plus in the field. And like I said, we don't do hardly that much slipping like we did before. So it just ain't wearing the tire out. We're always going forward. Well, I always tell them that the cleats, it's got the deep cleat. That's because the other tire companies only have half the width, the depth, and then they're reasonable, and they got a long wear, and in the case, the sidewall is a lot stronger on these tires than they are on the conventional tires. But just come take a look and see how deep they are. They're impressive when you look at them with the tread depth on it, because most of the guys, the farmers, are like this here. I could take you, there's tires over there ain't nothing left of them, But that's how it comes over there. As soon as I show them the tire, they all get excited. Yeah, my neighbor down the road, right where we're spraying, he just bought eight of these tires, and then another fellow up the road, he bought some, and I'm still buying tires because I buy them for my equipment now. But all in all, so far it's been the best tires I've bought.